video for the Telegram bots. So let's make a video for this one. Now I told you you can use two. You can use this one to buy. You can also use this one to buy it. They are all fast. Okay. So whatever option you have, rest assured that you're covered here. So let's click on this Falcon to show you how to use this one to buy it. If you're buying with this one, buy with this one. If you're buying with this Telegram bot, buy with Telegram bots. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one, which is the number 7 one. Then I'll verify if the system is asking me to verify if I'm a woman or not. So I'll click on that. Please, if the Telegram on is where you want to focus on that one. If it's this one, focus on this one. Now, you need to connect your Python wallet. Ensure you've logged into your Python. Where is the Python wallet? Let's go to the Python wallet and show you a Python account. Okay, let me open it here. Alright, so this is a Python account. Yeah, as you can see it here. A Python account. I'm sure you have it. So when you click on it, alright, the rest assured that it is logged in, or the rest assured that it's logged in. So this is one of my accounts on Python, okay? This is one of my Solana accounts on Python. Then you come here. How do you log in? Let me change this to another account. Let me change this to another smaller account. Okay. I have multiple accounts here. And every money that I earn from here, it is advisable you move your money to a central account. Okay, that'll be like Binance or OKS. Don't just keep your money like that here. Maybe after like 3-4 days, you want to move some money out. So I have money in several accounts, just in case anything happen. So you go back to that photon. So we need to connect our wallets, so that we can engage and buy that coin or any other coin I introduce to you. So you click on Connect Wallet. So I'm going to click on Connect Wallet to connect this particular Python wallet. Alright, so I'm going to click on Connect. As you can see at the bottom, it said Connect. So I'm going to connect that. So, but there's another way you can connect it to. Alright, so let me show you another way to connect. If it does not connect like this, okay, there are other ways to connect it. Very simple way. Let me go back to that WhatsApp account. So this is the link. Okay, this is the link, right? This is the link here. So I just copy the link. I just hold on it, copy it, and go back to your Python, your Python account, which is this one. Okay, so locate where it says browser, somewhere around there. Okay, below, just locate it and type on that. And click on that. Click on that icon, and at the top you see where it said search or type URL. URL means website. Okay, here at the top, see where I say that. Okay, so you paste that link you copied from the one you copied from WhatsApp, the one I sent to the group. So you type send. This particular technique is better than going straight to the browser and use it, because The Phyton also have their own browser attached inbuilt sorry excuse me, inbuilt browser. Okay, Phyton has their own inbuilt browser. So because I think the network is slow here, it may take a little bit of time to open, but definitely it's going to open. So we're waiting for this to open here. And again, I think the application I'm using to record this thing is also affecting it. So let me pause it and allow it to open. Okay, so now it has opened. All right. So now it has opened. The next thing to do is just click on connect. Click on connect. All right. So easily it's going to just easily connect now. Then it's going to ask you if you should verify the connection or connect the wallet rather. So let's click on it again. I think I'm having network issue here. The application I'm using to record this thing is very heavy. Let me pause. So let's click on connect again. Connect. So let's click on connect again, as you can see below. Okay. See it. Click on connect again. The connect will come twice. Okay, you click on it. So we'll wait for it to connect, finally connect. As you can see, it has connected. All right, it has connected. Now we have a full-blown site. Here it's going to tell you, it's going to show you some steps. If you're new to it, it's going to show you some steps on what to do. So what do we now do here? We don't have any too much business. What we'll do here is we need to paste that contract address. The contract address I'm going to send to you, you paste it here. Okay, this one at the top. You click that. Let me go and copy that contract address. Let's go back to the group and copy the contract address. So where is it again? Where is that group? Okay, I'll click on that group. So I said I'm not going to paste the contract address here yet because this is not the right contract address. So I'll go back to the page again. Where do you click? Search at the top. Search at the top. This small circle there, that small circle here, tap on that. When you tap on it, then you paste the link here. Excuse me. You paste the link here. Just drop the link there. Just tap on it and drop the link. Paste. So as soon as you paste it, it's going to pop out the contract address. Okay. The reason why it's not coming out is because that contract address, it is expired already. All right, so let's go check another coin from this same platform so I can show you how to use it. Let's just let me look for let me go and look for this guy's contract address. I'll be back. Don't want the video to be too long. Okay, so you paste. I've copied this contract address somewhere else. So you look for the search section, you know, the way I just taught you now. This one at the top, this one, where is it again? This one at the top. Yeah. All right. Yeah. You tap on that. Then let me clean this one that I just added not long ago. Let me clean it. Make sure there's no space. So just the way I pasted, I will paste it to the group. Copy the way I paste it to the group, and paste it. Come here and paste it just the way. Just look at it. I'm going to paste it now. You see that this way, you know, prompts the coin. As you can see, we have it here. So you click on it, the first one. All right. We click on the first one. Okay. You click on it. It's going to open. I'm showing you how to buy from this platform, okay? When you open, but just in case if it does not open here, don't waste your time here. Go use that the first one I did on Telegram, okay? So how do you now buy? See it here. Here you can see the details of how you buy. How do you buy? Okay, but this is default settings. You have 0.25, you have 0.5, you have 1 Solana. Here is where you input the Solana. So let's do 1 Solana by inputting 1 Solana. And you type what? You type buy. You type buy. Okay. You type buy. Insufficient amount at the top, as you can see it here. Insufficient amount. All right. So let's say you want to buy 2 SOL. All you need to do is to type 2 SOL. You don't need to change anything. Just type 2 SOL. Since you have 2 SOL in your what? In your account. When you type 2 SOL, it's still going to tell you insufficient amount because I don't have something like this here. So the numbers of SOL that you have, just type it here. You can type, if you have 5 SOL, type 5 SOL. If you have 10 SOL, type 10 SOL. And it's going to swap and buy it. All right. And how do you sell it? Here too, you can type, that is after I announced on the group to sell. You know, this is buy section. Let me highlight it so that you see it. This is buy, this is sell. So initially I will announce to the group that you should buy. Go ahead and buy. If I announce to the group go and sell, come here and click sell. And when you click sell, then at the bottom you can now type the amount you want to sell. Okay, you can type the amount you want to sell. Excuse me. So you can come here and type the amount you want to sell. If you go to your, if you see it from your page, the amount you have there, then you come here. If I say sell 25%, you can sell 25%. You can say, okay, I want to sell 50% and wait for the next sell. Yeah, that is if you came in with 1 SOL, you can sell. Just type the amount here and do this. Okay. Okay, so that this is a typical example of it. So when you click sell, okay, you can sell 25% of your profit and have your profit in your Python. You can sell 50%. That is after I must have told you to go and sell. After I must have announced it to the group to go and sell. If I say sell 100%, go and sell 100%. If I say sell 50%, sell 50%. Just tap on 50%. Let me tap on it. If you tap on 50% and your funds is there already, you're going to see it appear here. But if it does not appear, you're going to see appear. If it does not appear, just go ahead and click sell. If I say go and sell 50%, sell 50%. If I say sell 25%, sell off 25%. If I say sell 100%, go and sell 100%. Okay, hope you understand all these things. I'm taking my time to do all that. I don't know if I should do like we should do like a live Zoom meeting so that I can also show you guys, because I need you to be there. I don't want us to waste time. That's why I'm trying all my best. These same videos I made it yesterday, 2 days ago. I also made the same video. So I hope this one is better now. So that's it.